Hi guys, this is Martin from Rift Labs. I thought I'd show off some of the hardware that goes into the current prototype, just so you get an impression of where we're at and what we're doing. This one is the front enclosure. It's made from aluminium, and the odd shape is because these holes are for the emitters, and the ribs between are for leading heat out to the surface where it's dissipated. So there are also some ribs here, and a little kind of funnel, not a funnel but a chimney, to get a chimney effect. Helps a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. So that's nice. Are we in focus? Yeah, I think we are in focus. A couple of days ago, I got the latest PCB, and this is a beauty. This is really a beauty. Let me focus in on this one. It's a 6-layer PCB, gold plated, and it's quite heavy. It has some extra copper in it to help with the current distribution, with the resistance in the tracks actually. And as you can see, each emitter goes in a little square there, and the tracks, the copper is exposed. And that's to help with the heat dissipation. We use this kind of gasket made from silicone rubber, reinforced actually silicone rubber. And it has very good thermal properties. Here's the first fully assembled prototype board. You see there's some sensors in the middle here, the 112 LED emitters. On the other side we have the LCD panel, the MCU, the drivers, the battery charger, and some circuitry for the I/O ports. This is the sync port, this is the USB port, and this is an auxiliary port. And with the USB and auxiliary port, it should be possible to make various kinds of accessories and attachments to this unit, and have it all controlled via the MCU. To hold it together internally, design this piece of plastic, which is a 3D print. This prototype is 3D printed in polyamide, which is like nylon basically, and it's designed to do 3 things: keep the LCD in the right place, and help the buttons stay in the right place. These buttons are also made from either polyamides or the acrylic resin here. It's a higher resolution, these acrylic resin buttons. This is the 5-way button. It goes up here. Let me just put in a couple of screws here, so we can try and get this assembled. I just lost my Yeah, and we're back. I think we just lost picture there for a moment. On top of this, if we pretend these wires doesn't exist, there's the rear enclosure. This is an earlier rear enclosure. It's supposed to be in aluminium, but the buttons were moved, so I made up a new, simpler version, just to see that everything fits where it's supposed to go. And again, for those who are not used to looking at prototypes, the unit won't be white, it won't be silver, it'll probably be black unless you have some awesome suggestion for a different color. It won't be made from this material. These are just one-off prototype 3D printed single unit stuff just for testing purposes. Eventually the buttons will be injection molded, etc., etc., and everything will be made with the proper amount of awesomeness. And anyways, just a second, let me just show you. There'll be a battery cover as well, and the battery is a never-ending source of discussion. What sort of battery should we have? It's pretty thin, isn't it? Pretty nice, I think. Nice little unit. Okay. Yeah, so that's about it for today. Talk to you later. Bye.